How to change YouTube profile picture on your mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misnad, and today I'll guide you on how you can change the profile picture of your YouTube account on mobile. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. Simply open up your YouTube app and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're here, what you want to do is you can simply tap on the view channel option at the top. So you want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see their option that says manage videos. Beside it you can see the little graph icon, and beside it you can see the the pencil icon. So you want to simply tap on the pencil icon right here. Once you tap on the pencil icon, you should be able to see their option. You can see your profile picture, and along it you can see the camera icon. So you can simply tap on it, the camera icon there, and it will give you the option whether you want to choose the picture from device photo or Google Photos. Go ahead and select the picture that you would like to change to, and you are good to go. So this is how you can change your profile picture on YouTube on mobile. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.